Get the hell out of here.
Bienvenue dans Inside, l'émission pour les fous de la gâchette. Vous êtes fan de FPS mais n'avez pas envie de ruiner votre portefeuille? Dirty Bomb est fait pour vous. Dernier jeu du studio Splash Damage qui a entre autres réalisé Wolfenstein Enemy Territory, ainsi que le multijoueur de Batman Arkham Origins, se lance dans un jeu plus compétitif que jamais avec Dirty Bomb. Ce free-to-play opposant deux équipes ravira les amateurs de Counter-Strike, ou les aficionados de leur précédent jeu, Brink. Mais exit les dashs et autres double jump mis à la mode par ce dernier ou encore par le dernier Call of Duty, Dirty Bomb proposera des affrontements plus terre-à-terre et réalistes dans un Londres apocalyptique. Et justement, c'est à Londres que nous avons pu rencontrer Ben Gardel, game designer de Dirty Bomb, afin d'en apprendre plus sur ce free-to-play qui s'apprête à squatter nos ordis. Après quelques recherches, nous avons pu voir que Dirty Bomb était le jeu que Splash Damage a toujours voulu faire. Cette affirmation est-elle exacte?
Well, the game has a lot of similarities to Enemy Territory, which is the first title that Splash Damage ever released over 10 years ago now. So the game has a very hardcore feel to it. It's a multiplayer asymmetrical shooter, which is something that Splash Damage is really known for. And so it's a natural evolution of ideas that we've always had in-house.
Brink, malgré un très bon postulat de départ, n'a pas rencontré le succès attendu. Auriez-vous quelque chose à dire aux joueurs qui n'avaient pas été séduits par Brink pour les faire tomber littéralement amoureux de Dirty Bomb?
I wasn't working at Splash Damage while Brink was being developed, so there's very limited things that I can say about it, but I feel like Dirty Bomb is a game that Splash Damage has always wanted to make. We've had players playing the game for over a year now, and their feedback has been constant. Brink players only got to play the game at release. It was a boxed product, something that was put into shops, whereas this is a live service. We can constantly update it, and we've been doing that throughout its development so far. And I think that's the real key difference with Dirty Bomb, is that players have their say, and we're balancing the game, we're evolving the game based upon what our players want. And I think that for me is what really makes the game special, and that's what I think players will feel involved.
Dirty Bomb a vraiment tout pour plaire, on espère vraiment qu'il en fera fraguer plus d'un. Et justement, en parlant de frag, combien d'arènes seront présentes au lancement du jeu?
And we're shipping with 5 maps, and these maps have all been, balanced and, really expertly made to have the best feel from all of our titles previously. In fact, a couple of maps are inspired by Enemy Territory maps that we've sort of updated and modernized, and it's really fun seeing players who have played our older games coming in and saying, oh, this is exactly like Gold Rush, I love this, but they're kind of learning it again for a new generation. It's really cool. It's really cool.
Mêlant skill et teamplay, Dirty Bomb a tout pour s'ouvrir les portes de l'e-sport. La communauté le verra-t-il à de futurs événements?
Esports, if your game is a popular esports title, it means that it's fun and it's well balanced and it's really good to watch. And these are all things that we're really looking for in Dirty Bomb. So of course we're aiming for that. It comes down to the community, what the community wants. If we have a really solid and a really passionate esports community that develops around the game, then I definitely feel like that could be something that will thrive with Dirty Bomb. But it comes down at the end of the day to what our community wants. That's what we're going to focus on. As I said, testing with players in the game for so long, they're really, we've got so many vocal players who tell us exactly what they want. Like, and they're not afraid of it. They say it, and it's so refreshing to see. So if we hear people saying we want esports, we want this feature and this feature, we will make it, and that is where the future of our game is going to be inspired from.
En attendant de voir Dirty Bomb prochainement dans l'e-sport, passons au Test Inside spécial Team vs Team. Nous allons vous montrer deux équipes, à vous de nous dire l'issue du match.
Okay. Justice League versus Avengers. Oh, it would be a close one. It would be a close one. I've seen the Avengers movie, so I'm going to go with Avengers on this one. Although you've got Superman who doesn't have a weakness that exists in Dirty Bomb, so this is a tough one. No, I'm gonna give it to Avengers. It's Avengers this time. Yeah. Expect no 18 100%. No. Like. Chuck Norris. Dual Uzis. Dual Akimbo Uzis. Spartans can't do anything. I'm sorry. It's Chuck Norris. Hands down, man. Hands down. Thank you.
Vous l'avez compris, malgré son âge, Chuck Norris est toujours invincible. Alors armez-vous jusqu'aux dents et préparez-vous à passer de nombreuses heures d'entraînement pour le détrôner lui et ses Akimbo. Dirty Bomb est vraiment bien armé pour plaire aux amateurs du genre. Avec un jeu d'équipe au rendez-vous, un gameplay ouvert à tous et surtout une bonne dose de fun garantie. Alors sortez les armes et préparez-vous à affronter l'équipe adverse. Nous, on s'en va fraguer, alors on vous dit à une prochaine dans Inside.
Bye.